Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And taking a look out at Talent, again, still dealing with those clouds, but we are seeing some breaks. We're seeing some blue making its way through, and then we'll see a little bit more as we're heading into those afternoon hours. So it is looking like it is going to be rather pleasant second half of our day, but it is going to be a little bit chilly. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the next few days ahead. We're still going to be dealing with that valley fog and chilly temperatures as we're moving through the midweek, especially into those morning hours, where we're going to remain mainly dry as we're heading through Wednesday, possibly seeing some showers return late in the night on Wednesday to the coast, but then again we'll see more rain return later in the week, likely around Thursday. Another strong system we're expecting to head in over the weekend, but we'll touch on that in just a second. But looking at, we're heading into our Monday again, we're seeing clear skies as we're heading into the second half of the day for the region. And then as we head into our Tuesday, likely seeing fog redevelop into our valleys, and then we're going to see these high level and mix of mid-level clouds move their way in. So by the time we are heading into our Wednesday, we will be seeing those mostly cloudy skies. But for our Tuesday tomorrow, we'll be dealing with partly to mostly cloudy as those clouds begin to push their way in. But let's go ahead and take a look at our current temperatures around the region. 34 into Medford, 43 over to Cave Junction, 58 into Brookings. Moving down into Northern California, still pretty chilly, 29 I should say, into Yreka, 32 over into Doris and east of the Cascades. Lakeview, 34 degrees, 29 into a big difference from this morning, and 36 into Klamath Falls. Now for today, we're still expecting our temperatures to warm up a bit more. We'll be into the 30s east of the Cascades, so not too toasty, and then we'll be into the 40s as we're making our way over to our west side valleys. And like I mentioned earlier, we will be seeing some very chilly temperatures yet again as we're heading into those morning hours. Lakeview dropping down to about 10 degrees, possibly dipping down into those single digits for tomorrow morning over east of the Cascades, but we'll be into the 20s for our west side valleys and pretty cold along the coast into the 40s. But taking a look at the next 3 days into the Rogue Valley, we are again tracking that fog tomorrow morning. Clouds do increase, but we're tracking rain to return for Thursday and Friday. There'll be more shower activity. The system on Thursday not amounting to much, but again, we have our eyes close on Saturday. We'll continue to have updates for you as we're moving through the week. But let's go ahead and take a look at our 7-day forecast. Temperatures pretty warm along the coast compared to those areas inland. Chance for showers does return as we're heading to Thursday night. Over into Northern California, expect to possibly wake up with some fog tomorrow morning. Over into the Klamath Basin, we will see very cold temperatures tomorrow, but also expect to see clouds increase throughout the day. Over into the mountains this weekend, looking ahead, we are tracking possibly some hazardous driving conditions, and also finally back over into the Rogue Valley. Expect to wake up with fog again tomorrow.